Welcome. In this video I will show you how to check the specifications of your LG Gram laptop. To do it, first open the Start menu, then go to Settings. Then in Settings open the System tab on the sidebar and scroll down to About. In the About section you will find main info about your device's hardware. Below you'll find your device's specifications, and lower you will find your Windows specifications too. If you want to learn more about your device's hardware, right-click the taskbar, go to Task Manager, then open Performance, and in the Performance tab you have to check. You can check your CPU, memory, disk, the Wi-Fi adapter, and GPU. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.